everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright, on today's video, I'm gonna teach you, actually this is one simple one, the fast one. So, it's hip-hop. The title of the song is called The Box by Roddy Ricch. Alright, let's start! Alright everybody, let's start. We do it slowly. Even though if you feel a little bit faster, you just rewind the video, okay? So it goes like this: 7, 8. Drop and 8. So we're gonna go right, back, left, ball change. Then you're gonna go punch 5 and 6, 7, 8. That's it. One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. So you're gonna drop your left when you hit 8. Okay? One last time. 5, 6, 7, 8, then 1. And by the way, while doing this one, you're gonna go skip your legs like this. Like you're doing the rodeo. 6, 7, 8, then a 1, and a 2, and a 3, and a 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next, we're gonna lift your right knee on 1, 2. Remember, your right hand is drop. 2 and a 3, chest 4. Punch on 5, 6. Drop on 7, knee on 8. You will hear something like this. Okay? Copy? Let's try. What's the last part? From the top, let's do it. From here, from the beginning. So then 8 and a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, drop. 1, 2, and a 3, 5, 6, cool. Down 7 and 8. Your body is tilting to your left a little bit. So 7 and 8. Let's continue. Shoulder right up first. Go 1, 2, 3. Ball change again. 4. Same to the first one, but this time you're gonna use your hand like this. 5, the 6. Watch this carefully. And 7, the 8. One more time. So that's 8, 7, punch, 5, 7, 8. Right, the shoulder. 1, 2, 3. Ball change on 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8. That one is very fast. So the moment you step, you go 5, 6, and the 8. Start from the top. 5, 6, 7, and go again. 6, 7, 8. 1, back, left. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here we go. Right, left, right. Ball change, tap, 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 and drop. 8. Very good. Next, from here, 7 and 8. Copy this one. I always forgot this guy. 7, 8. Go 1, 2, tap, 3, and 4. 7, 8. Chest. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Copy? My nose. But next, 3 and 4. Side. 5, tap, 6. Isolation. 7, tap, 8. So that one is quick. Copy? So from here. 6, 7, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. Let's continue. From here, you're gonna go lean back. You're gonna put like that. Drop your hand like this. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Step, push, 5, and lift. Down on 7 and 8. One more time. 6, 7, 8, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, push, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. From the top, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, knee, 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, push, 6, 7, 8. Very good. Next. Okay, so this one is foot. Watch careful. 1, 2, in 3, and 4. You're basically doing this 4 times. So 6, 7, 8, back. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. A bit groovy. 6, 7, and 8. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and the basic step cross. 1, 6, 7, and 8. Simple as that. One more time. So 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, then 5, 6, 7, 8. Last 8. Roll, driving. 1, 2, chest, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Sorry, not 2, 8. One more time. So 5, 6, 7, drive. 1, 2, chest, 3, and 4, 5, 6, pop, pump, 8. And the last step. 1, close on 2, away on 3, and 4. Step back right, hug on 6, quick 7, whoa. That one is quick. So 5, 6, oh, whoa. And that's it. That's all the choreography. But before we go back to the beginning, let's start from here. On the 4th 8, I think 5th 8. So 6, 7, and then 1, 2, 3, 4. Push and 6, 7. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Drive. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6. Pop. And 1, 2, away. 4, 5, 6. Up. Yeah! From the beginning. Are you ready? Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Then 1, 2, 3. Slowly. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3. Chest. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Getting faster. 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Driving 8. Then 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6. Pop. And 1, pop. 3, 5, 6, 8. Boy! comments, and subscribe on our video. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.